Guys, Bitcoin broke out of the triangle formation to the upside and got rejected at a very important level. Then guys, Bitcoin is not the only chart we have seen a breakout from. The Bitcoin dominance chart has seen a breakout above the neckline. And we are potentially seeing a breakout in Dash as well. So guys, drop a like, leave your comment down below. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. And right now, let's jump into the charts. So guys, welcome back, nice to have you here, and for the ones that are new to the channel, please do subscribe. I'm uploading daily videos about the crypto and financial markets. And if you have a look at Bitcoin right here on the daily time frame, then we can see that Bitcoin has seen a breakout out of the declining resistance right here, but we are still trading in this uprising channel. And let's have a look at the 4-hour time frame. And here we can see that Bitcoin got rejected at the resistance of the uprising channel. But this is not only the resistance of the uprising channel, it is as well the next Fibonacci level. So if we use the Fibonacci retracement tool right here from the swing high to the swing low and we extend it, then we can see that right now we got rejected at the 78.60%. Which is showing us that the resistance right here is actually quite strong. And if we bring out the volume, then we can see in this overall uptrend right here in this uprising channel, the volume is actually declining, indicating that Bitcoin is preparing for a bigger move. I think it's better visible on the daily time frame. If we bring out the daily time frame, then we can see that in this uptrend, we are actually seeing declining volume. And even though we have seen a breakout out of the smaller triangle formation right here, that volume didn't surpass the previous levels. It was above average volume, which is showing the confidence behind this move. So basically not much have changed since yesterday, because we are still trading in this uprising channel. We still have declining volume. We have seen a breakout in the shorter term time frame, but in general we are still trading in this uprising formation. And if we dive into the 1-hour time frame, we can see the triangle formation a little bit more clearer. We have a uprising support right here, so most likely this was a symmetrical triangle, because a symmetrical triangle has a bigger likelihood of breaking out to the upside when we've entered that triangle from a uptrend, because this triangle most likely will function as a continuation pattern like we've said in yesterday's video. But yeah, in this specific formation, it was hard to tell whether this was a descending triangle with a horizontal support or whether this was a symmetrical triangle with a uptrending support. But eventually we broke out to the upside. We did saw at the moment of breakout, we saw nice amounts of volume coming in. But afterwards we have not yet seen a lot of follow through. If we bring out the RSI on the 1-hour time frame, then we can actually see a bearish divergence as well, where in the price we are creating a higher high, and in the RSI we are actually creating a quite steep lower high, which is actually showing us that this is the end of this move and is showing us that there is weakness in the bullish momentum. So right now we have a bearish divergence, we have a touch with the resistance, and we don't have follow through in the volume, which are actually 3 signs that are showing weakness. And therefore I think the chances of Bitcoin seeing lower levels right here is going to be higher than that we are going to break the resistance of the uprising channel. On the daily time frame, we actually as well still have the bearish divergence, where in the price we are right now at a lower high, but in the RSI we are still at higher levels. And that is indicating right here that the momentum right now is not that strong. However guys, that is invalidated the moment we are surpassing the previous high right here at approximately 12,000 US dollar. So guys, what is happening right now in the Bitcoin chart? Well guys, like I said, the volume in this uprising channel is still declining, and that is a very significant sign, because that is telling us that Bitcoin hasn't really chose a direction yet. Of course, right now we are in an uptrend, and that is a bullish sign, but we are in an uptrend with declining volume, which means that Bitcoin is preparing for a breakout, and that breakout could as well definitely be a move to the downside. So in my opinion, even though Bitcoin is trading in this uprising channel, I don't think there is a clear direction with a lot of confidence. And I'm still sticking to my analysis I've been talking about in the past couple of videos. And guys, Bitcoin is not the only chart where we have seen a breakout from. If we have a look at the Bitcoin dominance, then the Bitcoin dominance just broke the neckline. So guys, this is really significant. We had a ascending triangle in the RSI with a horizontal resistance and a uptrending support. We broke the horizontal resistance, and that was as well the moment we have broken above the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders pattern from the Bitcoin dominance, indicating that we are reversing from this downtrend, most likely in a uptrend, because a inverse head and shoulders pattern is a reversal pattern. And guys, I personally think that this is one of the most important signs that we are seeing in the crypto markets, because this is showing us that more liquidity from the overall crypto markets is flowing into Bitcoin. And in most cases, when the majority of the liquidity from the crypto markets is flowing into Bitcoin, that means that there is some uncertainty. And it also tells us that there is less confidence. Because when there is a lot of confidence, people are speculating on altcoins. So that is an interesting sign. We have seen some moments where we have seen an increase in the Bitcoin dominance and as well an increase in the Bitcoin price. That was the moment when we have a look at the Bitcoin chart. Right here, when Bitcoin bottomed and we broke out to the upside, this whole run to the upside was a moment that the Bitcoin dominance was rapidly increasing. But the majority of the time, guys, when the Bitcoin dominance is increasing, that actually has a negative impact on the price of Bitcoin. So guys, I'm interpreting this signal as well as a warning signal, showing that I need to be very cautious right here instead of being overly bullish. When we have a look at the majority of the people, then the crypto fear and greed index is still showing greedy levels, which means that the majority of the people, traders and investors, are still bullish. Then guys, let's have a look at Dash against the US dollar, because Dash is actually looking quite bullish. We are right now looking at the daily time frame, and I want to draw a horizontal line right here. And let's bring out the volume. So right here we can see that Dash had a nice pump to the upside, and we saw a nice increase of volume coming along with this pump. Now is the big question, of course, did we broke the resistance right here, and can Dash find support on this level and continue its uptrend? Well guys, if you're fundamentally bullish on the Dash project, then you want to watch this chart closely in the coming days, because this is definitely a bullish sign for Dash. And what we want to see is we want to see a follow through in the volume, and we want to see clear support on this level, which is right now approximately the 74-75 US dollar level. But guys, do take in mind that the Bitcoin dominance just broke the neckline, and therefore we could see an increase of the Bitcoin dominance, which would indicate that more liquidity from altcoins will flow into Bitcoin. So that could be actually a bearish sign for Dash. However, it is possible that Dash could be an exception right here. That Dash is one of the altcoins which is going to see an increase, even though the Bitcoin dominance is increasing. But right now, in my opinion, it is a little bit too early to tell. I want to see a bit more confidence in this chart. So follow through in the volume, clear support on 74-75 US dollar. And no bearish signals in the momentum indicator, because right now we do have some slightly bearish signal, and that is that in the price we've actually right now are still at a lower high, because the previous local high right here is at 79 US dollar, and if we have a look at the RSI, then we are at higher levels. So these are the concerns that I'm having with Dash right now, and I definitely will be watching this chart very closely. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If so, please leave a thumbs up, drop a comment down below. And for all the ones that want to learn how to create your own profitable trading strategy, you can sign up for my cryptocurrency trading course. Right now there's still a birthday discount of 40%, which will be running for the coming days. So if you are interested in the cryptocurrency trading course, then right now you can still get the course with a 40% discount. Then for everybody who's interested in one of my tutorials on how to trade Bitcoin, you can go over there and watch one of those, and I will see you all in the next video.